Kepler-2b.
And why do you think so?
Because Kepler-2b maybe have or twice have water, and the TRAPPIST-1a is have thick atmospheres that can live with.
Okay, now we will start here. We have here, okay, this, okay, lesson. Okay, we will continue. Imagine a new planet has been discovered. Okay, what planets can be discovered? What other planets can be discovered?
And planets. Can we go? It is
planet. The sun is not a planet. Sun is a star.
Okay. It is Earth. No way. It is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus.
Okay. And what is your opinion about these planets? On which planets, for example, you can live?
I can live in Earth only.
And why do you think so?
Because in Earth it has a suitable light conditional, like they have temperature, a water, and oxygen.
Okay. And what planets can you see here in this solar in this picture? What planets can you see it?
I can see Saturn and Jupiter with 4 planets.
Okay. And what? Okay, can you please not move your device because you're making a little bit noise. Okay, now. Okay, one more time. Okay, can you please tell me what do you think about these 2 planets?
I think it is very big and have a very thick atmosphere.
And why do you think so?
Because it's have its weight very big.
Okay, very nice. Now I want you to write a couple of sentences of these 2 planets that you can see. What is interesting about these planets? Can you write a couple of sentences of these planets?
Okay. Okay.
Moment.
Okay.
Okay, can you please read?
Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It's mainly composed of molecular hydrogen and helium in proportions similar to those in the Sun. Other chemical compounds are present only in small amounts and include methane, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and water. A lot of tornadoes are likely happening concentrated, and it doesn't have suitable conditional life. The Saturn is the only planet which has fell with a lot of sunlight. The, the temperature here fluctuates greatly. Some areas are hot as 800 degrees Celsius, but some other areas are as cold as 2000. Wait.
Okay, so what other things do you think? Okay, where else people can live on? Okay, in what other places people can live on? In what other places in our solar system people can live on?
People can live on people can live maybe on Earth, only on Earth in the solar system, and on Trappist 1E and Kepler 2b.
Okay, and why? Why do you think so?
Have possibly have a water maybe, and have the suitable temperature to have a water.
Okay, very nice. And which of these planets is really interesting for yourself? Which planet here can be really interesting for you?
I think it is the Saturn
Okay, and why? Why do you think so?
because it's is the bigger and uh, and some complicated phenomenon in that planet that science can't explain it now maybe.
Okay, now let's see. Okay, now we have here. Okay, this you dreamed of going into a space. So what do you think about going into a space?
No, I don't.
Okay, and why?
Because when I go to Spain and when I'm come back, I need to I I need to have a time to help my bones, and it will damage my bones too.
Okay, and in the future? Where would you like to? Can you please don't move your device because you're making the noise. Please. Okay. Please hold still. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So where would you like to live on? If you have a chance, if you have an opportunity. So where for example would you like to live on?
I should live on.
Please, you're making. Okay, Nam. Please, you're making the noise. Please don't move your device. Please.
So it's the sound of my X pen.
Okay,
It's not.
please. No. You're when you move your device, you're making the noise. Okay, so please do not move your device, please. Okay, please. Okay, so and what other places and countries would you like to live on? If you can choose, where would you like to live on?
Like countries or planets.
Countries.
I like to live on maybe on Moscow.
Okay, please, Nam, you're making the, please, Nam, I cannot hear you clearly because your voice is very low and you are also making the noise. Please do not make the noise, please. Okay, please
Okay.
don't. Okay, so why would you like to live there? Why?
Because it's cold and it's cold it's cold and have a lot of historic sites and I can go to them to visit.
Okay, very nice. And what places, what cool historical places are interesting for you?
Also cold is
What other historical places are really interesting for you to visit?
maybe uh, it is the word that located near Moscow on the 14.4 kilometers.
Okay. Now let's see. We have here. Okay, this is the place that there you can go. Now space travel. Okay, can you please read from here to here? Okay, I will move. Today we are going to learn.
Okay, today we're going to learn more about space travel. Take a look at the picture here. What is it showing? While there's a space shuttle taking off, there's a lot of fire coming out of the rockets. There's a lot of smoke as well. Very good, Ben. Can you make any guesses about what's happening here? Okay, well, I think there are some astronauts in the shuttle. They're probably pretty excited right now. Maybe the shuttle is going to the International Space Station. I could be carrying a satellite.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, those are all
Yeah.
good gases. Okay, so they are all good gases. Okay, very nice. Now let's see. And what other places, for example, okay, can be really what other jobs are really interesting for you to do it in the future if you can do it? What other jobs would you like? Please, Nam, you're making the Nam, please, you're making the noise. Please don't move your device, please. Okay, please, because you're
Okay.
making the you're making the noise all the time. Please do not move your device. Okay, please. Okay, now it's okay, but please don't move your. What do you use? Do you use iPad? Do you use phone? What do you use?
I use iPad, but
Please.
I don't move my device.
Yeah, you're moving your iPad sometimes and you're making the noise. You can hear when I upload this recording on YouTube, you can hear the noise from your background. Now it's okay, but please don't move, okay? Please.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's take a look. Okay, so can you please tell me what other jobs can be really interesting for you to do it? Are there any other jobs that can be really interesting for you to do it?
It is an astronomer.
What?
Astronomer.
Astronomer. Why did you pick astronomer? Why did you pick this type of the job?
Because it's my favorite, and I can find the planets that have a suitable conditional life that is the nearest.
Okay, nearest of what?
Nearest of the Earth.
Okay, very nice. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now I want to ask, can you write me 4 or 5 sentences about your future job that you want to do it in the future? Can you do that for me, please?
Okay. 4 and 5 sentences
About the job, okay, that you want to do it in the future. Okay, okay, what job is
Okay.
that, and why do you want to do this job?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, can you please read?
In the future, I would like to become an astronomer for two reasons. First reason, I want to explore the new planets have a light conditional like Earth, like the Earth. The second reason, I want to invent an ancient camel with a speed of light to pick everyone out to new planets, like like the Earth.
Okay, very nice. Now let's see. Okay, so we have here, okay, this, who describes what can you see in the picture? Who is there that describes what can you see in this picture that is showed here?
I can see the the space shuttle is going out the the Earth and the satellite is
No, who
it,
describes person who describes here? Who is someone that describes here? Who is that person?
uh, it is teacher. Teacher,
Teacher. Teacher describes. Okay, so what is your opinion about teachers?
I think they are the
Okay, and why do you think?
uh, I think they are useful and
Why
helpful
why do you think so?
because because uh, mm, because they teach me to have knowledge or have the kind.
Mhm. Okay, so she used he's having the knowledge. Okay, now let's take a look. Okay, so we have here, okay, about astronauts. Okay, so what is your opinion when we are speaking about astronauts? So what do you think about astronauts?
Astronaut.
Yes, what is your opinion about astronauts? About job?
I think it is maybe a dangerous job
Okay, and why do you think so?
because it will damage the bones.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Okay, and how? Okay, how this is something that can damage our bones? How?
Uh, because because if we go to space, it will don't have effect by the Earth's when the bones won't work and they will weak. Will weak.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very nice. Okay, and what other things? And what other things? Okay, people can be strong. Okay, so what other job people should do to be when people want to be strong?
Maybe it is the coach of the sports.
And why do you think so? Why?
Because if if uh, if they a coach of the sports, they will work and they will yeah, exercising a lot.
Mhm. Okay, so they can exercise. And when do you usually like to exercise? Can you please tell me in what occasions do you like to exercise? And what type
Uh,
of the exercise do you like to do?
I like to do fly badminton and kick shuttlecock.
hmm
Fly sports.
hmm Okay, very nice. Okay, shuttlecock. Okay, very nice. Now let's see. Okay, so we have here. Okay, now and how often do you play with shuttlecock?
Uh, I can kick them with my friends or kick alone.
hmm Okay, very nice. And why is that? Can you please tell me why is that?
For instance,
Mhm.
hmm, cause hmm,
Why? Why do you like to shoot shuttlecock? Shuttlecock?
because it can improve my legs flexible.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, very nice. Now, okay, so you will. Mm, uh, okay, very nice. Nice. Okay, you want to be flexible, and why is that important?
Why that's important?
Hmm. Why that? Why is that so important? Why?
Because it's improve my legs flexible and I can exploit it to fight better.
Item. Okay, very nice. Okay, so this is how you can explore items. Okay, and what other things do you would like to explore?
I
What
would
is some?
I'd like to exploit the secret phenomenon
And why?
because I want to know what is actually what behind the phenomenon.
Okay, very nice. Now, and what do you think about living on Mars? Is it possible to live on Mars?
Different Mars.
Mm-hmm.
I think it shouldn't. I think it should because Elon Musk is have a plan to build place that people can live there.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so they okay, and in what other places people can live in? What other places, for example, people where people can live in?
Where people can live in, they can live in Trappist one A capital to B.
Mhm. Okay, very nice. Okay, so those are places that people can live in. Okay, very nice. Now, let's see. Now, we have here living on Mars. Okay, now I want you to make 6 sentences about this. Can you try to do that with these
Sure.
words? Uh,
Right?
okay,
What?
sorry. Sorry. Okay, with these words shuttle, astronaut, probably, international, carrying, and satellite. Can you make and write sentences about this?
Okay. Okay, wait.
Did you finished?
No, I'm not finished. Okay.
Okay, can you please read?
Yes. Wait. The space shuttle is very expensive. Being astronaut, we need to do a lot of hard things. Space shuttle probably go to the moon. Uh, the ISS space station is the biggest satellite. The satellite is carrying a GPS. Satellite is also also in the moon.
Mhm. Okay, very nice. Now, and what jobs your parents are doing? What are some jobs that your parents are doing right now? What are their jobs? What do they do?
They are
They are
an engineer.
engineers. Okay, so what do you think about working this type of the job in the future? What do you think about being an engineer?
I think it's easy, but maybe salary is not good.
And why do you think so? Why?
Because my parents work for the government. Maybe I don't.
Mhm. Okay, and what other jobs can be really interesting for you to do it?
Sure.
About like yes, like engineers. Would you like to try to work as an engineer?
No, I don't. I
And
don't.
why? Why?
Because I don't like to uh, be an engineer. Because I'm not good at art
Mhm.
and maybe logic.
Okay, very nice. Now let's see. Okay, now we have here. Okay, now we finished our class. Okay, now I have to go, but I definitely want to see you next time. Okay,
Okay.
see you. Bye bye.
The pressure.